Hi, it's Ty with WTI, and this is my one of all-time favorite oils, lavender oil. This one is from Eden's Garden, and it has very nice, strong smell of lavender. And lavender is something I like to just kind of like diffuse close to the clothing closet because it gives that nice old-fashioned smell of lavender. And maybe you've seen also movies where they put lavender to prevent scorpions from crawling in. So there's certain insects also that don't like smell of certain essential oils, and lavender is one of them. This is a nice way to keep them naturally away from you. So I like this. It feels like walking through a lavender field in the middle of the beautiful southern France landscape. It takes me to places I've never been to. But anyway, I have smelled lavender. Smelling this oil in the air is like being in a lavender field. And that is my point of view.